Hey everyone, how's it going? And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the first Descendant freezing slash stuttering issue. Now let me tell you, this is mostly a server issue. Like there have been people with like the beast of a PC, but they still face this issue. So most of the time it is a server issue. But a few things you can do to optimize is, at first, if you have an NVIDIA GeForce, whatever you are using, make sure you head over to their software. From there, go to drivers. As you can see, I have the latest game driver available, and then you can go head over to device manager like so, and then double click on display adapters. As you can see, my graphics card, and then we're going to right click, properties, go to driver, and then update this driver. And if that doesn't solve it, the last thing you can do is search for view network connections like this, and then whatever you're using, whether it be Wi-Fi or Ethernet, right click, head over to properties, double click on IPv4. Now for you, this might be turned on, so just click on this one and use 8.8.8.8, and over here we're going to use 8.8.4.4. click on OK. And try restarting your PC and see if this works. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.